Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your computer using Local by Flywheel from localwp.com. Let's get started by opening our web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you prefer. I'll be using Chrome for this tutorial. First, we need to download Local by Flywheel. In your browser, type localwp.com in the address bar and hit Enter. Once you're on the Local by Flywheel homepage, click on the Download button. You'll be prompted to choose your operating system. Select the appropriate one for your computer, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. After selecting your operating system, you'll need to fill in a quick form with your name and email address. Once you've filled that out, click the Get It Now button to start the download. Once the download is complete, find the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to start the installation. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. For Windows users, you may need to allow the installer to make changes to your device. After the installation is complete, open Local by Flywheel. You should see the Local by Flywheel application open with a clean interface. Now, let's create a new WordPress site. Click on the Create a New Site button. You'll be prompted to enter a site name. This can be anything you like, but for simplicity, I'll name mine My Locale Site. Click Continue. Next, you'll need to choose your local environment. You can select the preferred environment, which is pre-configured with the most common settings, or the custom environment if you want to configure the server settings yourself. For most users, the preferred environment is perfect, so I'll select that and click Continue. Now it's time to set up WordPress. You'll need to enter some basic information. WordPress username. Create a username for your WordPress admin account. WordPress password. Create a strong password. WordPress email. Enter your email address. Once you've entered this information, click Add Site. Local will now create your new WordPress site. This may take a minute or two. Once Local has finished setting up your site, you'll see it listed in the Local by Flywheel interface. Click on the Start Site button to start your new WordPress site. Once the site is running, click on the Admin button to open the WordPress admin dashboard in your browser. You should now see the WordPress login screen. Enter the username and password you created earlier and click Login. And that's it. Congratulations! You've now got WordPress running locally on your computer. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. Good luck with your WordPress journey, and we'll see you in the next video.